Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the passion for woodworking. Here, we share the latest techniques, useful tips, and modern tools in the world of carpentry. If you love creating and want to take your skills to the next level, don't miss any of our videos. Shredding roots might sound simple, but they're the ultimate enemy of your machine's cutting teeth and wear parts. Roots aren't just tough, they're packed with dirt and grit, turning every grind into a brutal battle between steel and sand. If you're not using hardened alloy blades or carbide-tipped teeth, you'll be replacing them constantly, costing you thousands in just a few hundred hours of operation. Invest in premium wear-resistant cutters or a dual-shaft shredder built for extreme abrasion to slash downtime and maintenance costs. Remember, cheap today means expensive tomorrow. The Muse Max redefines raw power with its fully automated hydraulic feeding system. No more struggling with manual log loading. Its relentless intake devours even the longest timber effortlessly, while advanced hydraulics ensure buttery smooth operation. But the real test? Whether this unstoppable wood terminator can handle the gnarliest, knottiest logs without flinching. With self-feeding precision and industrial strength durability, it slashes labor costs and downtime. Just one question remains: what can't this beast chew through? This machine runs unbelievably smooth with just a 22 horsepower Honda engine, a true technological marvel in real life. Its ultra-high hydraulic pressure turns every cut into a wood-devouring tornado. The dual-hand control guarantees absolute safety, even if it sacrifices a bit of speed, because safety always comes first. But here's what will really blow your mind. Just how many tons of wood can it crush per hour? Brace yourself. The answer will shatter all your expectations. GreenTech 930, the ultimate green wood chipper that dominates the market. With its monstrous engine power and scalpel-sharp cutting blades, it transforms even the toughest branches into wood chips in the blink of an eye. Highly mobile, yet incredibly stable, its superior noise reduction design lets you work without disturbance. Maintenance is as easy as eating candy, thanks to quick access components. This is the ultimate professional's sidekick. From urban landscaping to biomass production. This machine shatters all limits with its 5-meter hydraulic arm, the ultimate weapon that obliterates stumps from the largest to smallest in the blink of an eye. SCO doesn't just dig, it annihilates every challenge. Massive capacity plus superhuman reach was a total stump removal revolution. Did you enjoy this video? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and hit subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming exciting clips. Share your opinion with us. Arpal, next-gen wood chipper, revolutionizing green agriculture. Crushing branches up to 6.3 inches thick, Arpal is the ultimate farm companion. Its powerful gasoline engine delivers cordless freedom, work anytime, anywhere, without power constraints. Premium heat-treated blades stay 3 guys sharper than standard models, effortlessly turning even the toughest branches into valuable resources. From wood waste to organic compost and premium biochar, Arpal unlocks the era of smart recycling. This isn't just a chipper. It's a sustainable powerhouse for tomorrow's agriculture. Biomass energy, the golden key to the green energy era. From seemingly useless branches, modern technology has sparked a revolution, transforming waste into breakthrough clean energy. Biomass is not just a transition, it's the ultimate versatile solution in our journey beyond fossil fuels. With advanced chipping technology, every kilogram of wood waste becomes a valuable biobattery, delivering stable energy to millions of households. A perfect circular cycle. From the earth, back to the earth, not a single gram of resources goes to waste. Harness your tractor's existing PTO system to power this multifunctional wood chipper. No extra engine required, saving up to 30% in operating costs. Our exclusive multi-branch feeding technology doubles processing speed, instantly transforming tangled branches into premium organic mulch in one simple operation. The advanced anti-jam system reduces cleanup time by 90%. No more chasing flying branches. This breakthrough technology helps smart farmers optimize resources, turning waste into profit right on site. Born from real-world experience, this DIY branch chipper features a multi-directional feed mechanism that processes 3 to 5 branches simultaneously, locking them securely to prevent dangerous kickbacks. Simply connect it to your existing tractor's PTO and pair it with recycled grinding shafts from old parts, and you've got a branch warrior that saves 80% cleanup time. The secret? A 45-degree angled hopper and staggered blade design that self-feeds branches, turning them into instant mulch. No more chasing flying debris. Featuring an ultra-energy-efficient 5.5 kilowatt motor, our smart hydraulic system uses just 2 liters of oil per minute, 70% less than conventional machines, yet delivers crushing force up to 30 bar. The exclusive mechanical pump technology with chain loop system ensures whisper-quiet operation while pulverizing even the toughest logs in seconds. Compact enough for farms or workshops, this powerhouse redefines wood processing. Copy 2, the speed wizard of wood chippers. Watching Copy 2 in action reveals how modern technology has redefined efficiency, processing 5 logs per second, 10x faster than traditional manual methods. No more sweating with axes or saws. Now you can stack firewood for winter in just a few short minutes. The crowning glory? Ultra-precise cuts from special alloy blades deliver results as smooth as those crafted by skilled artisans. PTH 1400 meter, the wood crusher beast that makes other machines tremble. Powered by a legendary 1150 horsepower Caterpillar engine, this monster pulverizes everything from hardwood to massive tree trunks in seconds. So fast it could process an entire wooden house in under a minute. The engine's roar is a symphony of raw power, while your ordinary lawnmower can only tremble in the corner. Turn garden waste into treasure. Zero cost, plus saving the planet. With just one compact chipper, you'll have a mini recycling plant right in your backyard. Effortlessly process branches and dry leaves into ultrafine organic mulch. Natural ground cover retains moisture, 300% better than chemical fertilizers. Save 5 million VND a year by eliminating waste disposal fees. Why burn waste when every branch is cold hard cash? The epic showdown between high-tech giants and DIY wizards. That homemade Delming machine built from scrap metal unexpectedly steals the spotlight, forcing modern equipment to tip its hat. Turtle speed, processing that effortlessly handles warped wood rejected by new-gen machines. Artisan craftsmanship, every cut bears the maker's signature touch. Limitless creativity, 100% upcycled materials transformed into mighty weapons. Sometimes perfection isn't about technology, but how we breathe soul into machines.
Så vitt jag vet så är allting original. Vi har inte bytt ut några grejer.
Iron Baltic Hauler, the versatile wizard that transforms your ATV into an unstoppable beast. With just one smart accessory, your ATV-UTV becomes an all-terrain super vehicle, conquering everything from muddy trails to rice terraces. This compact but mighty design lets you haul 500 kilograms of cargo effortlessly across paths where bulky tractors fail. No need for million-dollar machinery. True power lies in smart solutions. Groeneveld Houtkiller, the most powerful wood splitter in the world. With a pressure of 127 tons and a unique Spaltzange design, this wood splitter crushes even the toughest logs in just one strike, 5 times faster than traditional methods. Smart hydraulic technology saves 40% energy compared to conventional splitters while still ensuring absolute precision. No axe needed, no strength required, just the Houtkiller to turn wood into easily breakable bait. With this specialized attachment, your excavator transforms into a tree-felling assassin, handling 1-meter diameter trees in just 15 minutes, 8 faster than manual methods. The ultra-powerful hydraulic clamping system, combined with smart shock absorption, boosts productivity by 200%, turning large-scale agricultural projects into child's play. This upgraded DIY log splitter is a masterclass in blue-collar brilliance. Born from scrap steel and repurposed hydraulics, it transforms into a wood-wrecking beast with 20 tons of splitting force, enough to cleave the toughest oak. Its 8-way wedge system dances through logs with mechanical precision, spitting out perfect firewood every 3 seconds. The secret? A 10mm reinforced steel frame that outlasts commercial rigs costing 10 times more. This isn't just homemade equipment, it's every knotted log's worst nightmare. This log splitter is mechanical engineering at its finest, a masterpiece born to conquer even the most stubborn timber. Its spring-loaded auto-eject gate, 15mm steel stabilizer base, and multi-layer shock-absorbing rubber turn violent impacts into gentle kisses. The tungsten alloy splitting blade lasts 3 bites longer than industry standards, while the dual-action hydraulic system delivers 25 tons of butter-smooth splitting force. This isn't equipment. It's a wood wizard that transforms rough logs into perfectly uniform firewood with a single stroke.
What's that? Наоборот.
The McCahill Dozing Aztec Peterson 5710 grinder is a powerhouse in wood processing and material recycling, designed for unmatched efficiency and durability. With its high-performance engine and advanced grinding system, it effortlessly turns logs, brush, and even construction debris into fine mulch in record time. Key benefits include fuel efficiency, reduced noise levels, and minimal downtime, making it ideal for large-scale operations. Investing in the Peterson 5710 grinder means boosting productivity while cutting waste disposal costs. Perfect for businesses looking to optimize their workflow. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. See you in the next one.